Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info.
District 320H Guiding Force. Today's chief guest, our district governor, Lion Harish Reddy Garu, our past district governors, elect leaders, DG team of 320H, all other line friends, good evening. The newly carved District 320H for the Charter Linistic year 24-25, I am very happy to be the presiding officer for the very first official program honoring of DG team elect leaders of 24-25. I am Lion V. Harihara Subramanian, designated District Cabinet Secretary for the Linistic year 24-25 by our District Governor-elect, Lion N. Manohar Reddy. On this happy occasion, let me welcome our Chief Guest, Lion K. Harish Reddy Garu, District Governor, 320C. I also welcome our Chief Advisor, Administration, Lion A. Linga Reddy Garu, District Chief Advisor, Administration, Lion Pabba Ravindranath Gupta Garu, GAD Vice Chairperson, Lion J. Jagannath Reddy Garu, ఆయన అవుట్ ఆఫ్ స్టేషన్లో ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి ఈరోజు రాలేదు. డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ LCIF మెంటర్, అంబాసిడర్ ఆఫ్ గుడ్ విల్ అవార్డీ, లయన్ ఎస్ మనోహర్ రాజు గారు, అండ్ ఆల్ ది పాస్ట్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ గవర్నర్స్ ఫర్ గ్రేసింగ్ దిస్ అకేషన్. I welcome all of you, sir. Thank you for sparing your valuable time for honoring our DG elect team. Now it is the turn to welcome our leaders for 2024 and 25. The DG team headed by Lion N. Manohar Reddy Garu, District Governor-elect, Lion Gampa Nageshwar Rao, First Vice District Governor-elect, Lion Notaki Vishweshwar Rao, Second Vice District Governor-elect. Welcome, sir. I also welcome District Cabinet Treasurer, Lion Raghavendra Rao, who is on the way, District Chief Coordinator, Lion P. Santosh Kumar, District Events Coordinator, Lion SPY Reddy Garu, Micro team members, GAT members, Region Chairpersons, Zone Chairpersons, and other Cabinet members, club leaders, President, Secretary, Treasurers. I welcome you all for this wonderful program. On behalf of Micro, Core, GAT, Region Chairpersons, Zone Chairpersons, I thank one and all for accepting our invitation and making your valuable presence for this honoring program. Not but the least, all the district leaders, club presidents, secretaries, and other well-wishers. My sincere thanks to all the line friends for joining hands in making this program a memorable one. It is our district customary to honor our incoming elect officers before they assume their office. Continuing the tradition and good practices, the team 2024 and 25 organized today's program. Let us enjoy this evening and make the event colorful with your active participation. Thank you. Long live Lionism.
Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.